What's good everyone and welcome to a new video. And for today's video, I finally got the lip. It finally came in and it's better than the Type R medium lip that I had before where, here, let me explain. This is a good explanation. Where the indentations of these ends right here went all the way up to this point. So this one by far looks or fits my description of a lip because it just curves off like that. Alright, like. The lip is on, but I still have to do the pre-drilled holes. Ah man, it sucks. I have to cut off the ends. It won't even fit. Look at that indentation right there. It cuts off right there. Damn. I gotta have to find another way now. Overall, looks good.
Jack LaBu.